Finance 27A. How am I supposed to know when to use which formula? Okay, first we need to read the question. So we need to read all of the words. They're important. In fact, when it comes to figuring out what the problem is about, the numbers don't matter much. Without the words, the context, the numbers are pretty useless. So we've talked about this a little bit in our previous notes. The italicized sentences that appear with each formula give the details you need. But the summary is as follows. Simple interest would be one deposit. The interest is not compounded. And usually with simple interest, that would be like your add-on interest. Sometimes they'll say simple interest. So that's the other part of that too. Compound interest, you're just going to have one deposit, okay? So remember, sometimes when we have those car loans, don't get suckered into using compound interest for that because you have more than one deposit if you're making a payment. Annuity, you're going to be making many deposits. Payout annuity, many withdrawals, and loans, you'll be making many payments. Okay, example 27. Jackson wants to buy a new car in a few years, but he doesn't want to take out a loan. Instead, he opts to save $250 a month in an account earning 2.5% interest compounded monthly. How much will he have saved up for a car after 4 years? So it looks like he's putting money into an account, and it says a month, so that's regularly. So that's many deposits, not just one deposit. So that sounds like an annuity. Okay. So we have a deposit of $250 a month. Okay. So, sorry, I was looking at the wrong problem. And our rate for the interest was 2.5%, so that's 0.025. It's going to be compounded monthly, and it looks like we're saving that for 4 years. Okay, so using our annuity formula, we have 250 times parentheses 1 plus 0.025 divided by 12 raised to the n times t. So that's going to be 48. And then minus 1, and then close that bracket. Then divided by our 0.025 divided by 12. Okay, depending on what calculator you have. If you have the fraction calculator, you can just type it as you see. Otherwise, we need extra parentheses. So when we put that in our calculator, we get $12,606.72.